Lions are majestic creatures and are one of the largest big cats in the world. They are the king of the jungle and stand at the top of the food chain. They live in groups called pride, and they all have each other's back. When they are hunting for faster or larger prey, their key to success is teamwork. Lionesses are the ones that mainly hunt, hence why you can see a lot of them here. A male lion's job is to protect the pride and defend their land from the enemies. Males also hunt, but they mostly sleep and laze around. They can spend 16 to 20 hours in a day resting. But that doesn't mean their life is easy. Male lions are banished from the pride when they reach 2 years old. They are forced to live and survive alone until they can establish their own pride. And to do this, they have to take over another male lion's pride forcefully. On the other hand, baboons are one of the largest and old world monkeys that live in groups called troops. Because they are old world monkeys, they don't have the prehensile tails that our monkeys have today. Prehensile tails are used to grip on branches and make monkeys better climbers. The lack of this tail is the reason why baboons mostly spend their time on the ground. This makes them vulnerable to predators, such as lions. This clip shows how a pride of lions prey on baboons. One baboon can already be seen hanging from a lion's jaw. Another one is atop a dead tree trunk, trying its best to stay alive. However, luck isn't in the baboon's favor as a determined lion climbs the tree trunk and knocks the baboon down, to which the other lions are positioned. The baboon was caught in the end, and it looks like the lion's hunger is solved. This amazing footage shows us how ruthless life is in the wild. We salute the lion's tenacity, but their determination is far from what this other lion did in this next clip. This lion can be seen climbing a tree. The reason? A baboon at the top. Most of the other lions decided to stay on the ground, but one lioness is determined to catch the prey. But when it reaches the highest point and is still unable to catch the baboon doing its best to stay at the very edge of the leaves, the lion stops and just tries to sway the branches, hoping for the baboon to fall. The video ended without any conclusion, but judging how it's going, there is a big chance that the baboon will eventually fall prey. This next clip starts a bit unexpected because instead of a lion running after a baboon, the latter is the one chasing the lion away. They intimidate each other for a while, and it seems the baboon is winning, but the lion's pride suddenly comes to the rescue and traps the poor baboon down. The people witnessing the gore end of the animal can't help but sound sad and disappointed. Well, folks, such is the life in the jungle. You either be the hunter or the hunted. This next clip shows a casual afternoon baboon snack time for the lions. When the baboons idle on the ground, it's easy for lions to spot and hunt them. It doesn't even matter if they have the upper ground. Lions are intelligent by nature, and they are the kings of the jungle after all. You get spotted and you get killed in an instant. These baboons should do a better job at hiding, or at least try not to cross or stay too close to lions' territory. Baboons are not always hunted though. They are also ruthless animals that eat whatever weaker species comes their way. This clip shows an adult baboon munch on a baby gazelle. Such a horrible thing to see because each bite sends the gazelle crying. Baboons are merciless creatures, aren't they? This next clip shows how baboons try to snatch a baby impala away from its mother. But the impala protects its calf with all its might, even chasing the idling troop away and sending them climbing trees. It seems the mother impala already won. However, a few minutes later, we see the calf already being devoured alive by a baboon. The impala still tries to rescue its young, but the effort is rendered futile. After the injury the baboon causes the calf, there's no way it'll be able to survive. Another evidence of how terrifying baboons can be when hunting. But this following clip seems a little bit different. Let me show you. This baboon seems to have stolen a newborn lion cub from where nobody knows. The people filming the event can't help but coo when they figure the baboon is grooming the cub. Baboons only groom their family members, so it's a puzzle to why it cares so much for the cub. When it goes down from the tree, it protects the baby lion too, not letting it fall to the ground. However, the cub looks weak, and without its mother's milk, it won't survive. This scene reminds me of Lion King, don't you agree? The animal kingdom is truly a world of wonders. We may wish for them to live a long and peaceful life, but such can't happen in the wild. When you live in this cruel world, survival of the fittest is your only rule.